Good day, adventure seekers. Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your go-to channel for all things travel. Here, we're all about discovering new places, immersing ourselves in different cultures, and sharing our experiences with you. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the most romantic island getaways around the globe. From the crystal-clear waters of Bora Bora to the breathtaking sunsets of Santorini, we've got a lineup that's sure to inspire your next couple's retreat. So join us as we hop around to some of the most romantic island getaways in the world. First stop, Bora Bora, a small island tucked away in the South Pacific. Imagine being surrounded by crystal clear waters that sparkle under the tropical sun, waters so clear that you can see the vibrant coral and playful sea life from above. Now, picture yourself in a luxurious overwater bungalow, where you wake up to the gentle lull of waves and step straight from your private deck into the warm, azure sea. As the sun sets, the sky paints a breathtaking tableau of colors, each moment more beautiful than the last. It's a sight that you and your partner can savor in solitude, adding to the charm of this tranquil island. Bora Bora is a haven of privacy, allowing couples to escape from the world and lose themselves in the island's natural beauty. Bora Bora's enchanting lagoons and tropical beauty make it a lovebirds paradise. So, if you're looking for a destination that combines relaxation, romance, and adventure, Bora Bora should be at the top of your list. Next, we're off to the Aegean Sea to the beautiful island of Santorini, Greece. Picture this, a labyrinth of narrow streets dotted with iconic white buildings, their blue rooftops reflecting the clear skies above. Everywhere you turn, you'll find stunning vistas overlooking the sea, a sight that's made even more magical by the island's legendary sunsets. But the allure of Santorini isn't just in its views. The island is also home to a rich, vibrant culture that's as warm as the Mediterranean sun. The local cuisine is a feast for the senses, with fresh seafood, ripe tomatoes, and creamy feta cheese being staples in many dishes. For couples, the romantic atmosphere of Santorini is truly unparalleled. Whether you're strolling hand in hand down the cobblestone streets, sharing a meal under the stars, or simply watching the sunset together, the island's charm is sure to kindle or rekindle the spark in your relationship. For a taste of romance with a side of Greek charm, Santorini is the place to be. Now we're heading to the tropical paradise of Maui, Hawaii. Imagine standing hand in hand with your partner, the sand warm between your toes, the Pacific Ocean stretching out before you in a panorama of turquoise and azure. This is Maui, a Hawaiian island that boasts some of the world's most breathtaking beaches, each one a unique blend of black, white, or red sand. But Maui is more than just beautiful beaches. It's a lush, verdant paradise where hiking trails wind through bamboo forests, past cascading waterfalls, and up to the summit of the dormant Halikala volcano. The island's vibrant culture is a vivid tapestry woven from the threads of its Polynesian roots, American influences, and the spirit of aloha that permeates every aspect of life here. For those seeking adventure, Maui's waves are legendary. Surfing, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, is a must. And after a day filled with adventure, what could be better than watching a breathtaking sunset together? For a mix of adventure and relaxation, Maui offers the best of both worlds. Our next stop is the idyllic archipelago of Fiji. Nestled in the heart of the South Pacific, Fiji is an oasis of turquoise waters, white sand beaches, and stunning coral reefs. This paradise offers some of the world's best soft coral diving, providing an underwater spectacle that is a feast for the eyes. Beyond the water's edge, the island's pristine natural environment invites exploration. Walk hand in hand through lush rainforests, climb the rugged mountain peaks, or simply relax on the beach, the sun warming your skin as the gentle ocean breeze whispers in your ears. But what truly sets Fiji apart is its people. The locals are known for their warm smiles and welcoming nature. Their rich culture is woven into the fabric of everyday life, from the vibrant dances to the traditional ceremonies. They make every visitor feel like part of the family, making Fiji the perfect destination for couples. Fiji's blend of culture and natural beauty creates an unforgettable island escape. Finally, we're off to the tropical paradise of the Maldives. Imagine a place where the sun shines all year round, and the Indian Ocean's deep blue hues meet the crystal clear waters of the lagoons. A place where you can explore vivid coral reefs brimming with abundant marine life, right from your overwater villa's doorstep. The Maldives is a canvas of over 1,000 islands, each one offering an unparalleled level of luxury and tranquility. Here, the world slows down, and the only sounds you hear are the gentle lapping of the waves and the rustle of the palm fronds. It's an idyllic setting that offers seclusion and intimacy, making it the perfect retreat for couples. The luxury resorts of the Maldives are a testament to indulgence, offering private villas, personal butlers, and even underwater restaurants. It's an experience that is as unique as it is beautiful. For a truly luxurious and intimate getaway, nothing compares to the Maldives. And there you have it, 5 of the most romantic island destinations for couples. Bora Bora, Santorini, Maui, Fiji, and the Maldives each offer their unique charm and allure. So why not pack your bags and create your own adventures in these tropical paradises? Remember, the world is full of beautiful places waiting to be explored. Thank you for joining Traveling Kangaroo on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website, travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.